Hey friends, welcome to New Business Ideas. Today we look in this video. Top 10 jewelry business ideas in small scale. The worldwide jewelry industry is multi-billion value business in nowadays. Also jewelry business is one of the maximum attractive businesses to discover today. The industry consists of now no longer best the gold, however also plenty of diamond, platinum, precious and semi-precious stone jewelry. Additionally, the imitation, costume, handmade and boutique portions of jewelry hold an excellent share within the industry. But at the same time as it's true that this marketplace has lots of possibilities for people who need to start into entrepreneurship. It's now no longer all glitz and glamour. Similar to other industries, having a jewelry business may be complex. Some elements that you need to consider before putting in place your store include operational and manufacturing expenses and finding your gold market. Globally, India is the most important customer of gold and jewelry. The gemstones and jewelry marketplace in India is home to greater than 500,000 players, with the bulk being small players. Basically, UAE, US, Russia, Singapore, Hong Kong, Latin America, and China are the largest importers of Indian jewelry. Therefore, starting a jewelry business is one of the maximum worthwhile opportunities for beginners. Here in this video we will put the most profitable top 10 jewelry business ideas and opportunities for you. 1. Gold-plated jewelry making. Nowadays, gold-plated pieces of jewelry are getting very famous amongst each age group of people. Making gold-plated jewelry can starting with a small-scale workshop unit. If you're simply starting to discover ways to make this kind of accessory, there are specific tutorials and online kits available to assist you. And you may additionally want special equipment to provide the kind of design which you want. The production process of gold-plated pieces is simple, and the product has an excellent potential market. 2. Dhokra jewelry business. Dhokra is a conventional handicraft of our country. Nowadays, Dhokra jewelry is getting massive reputation worldwide. This is relatively a low-cost jewelry business you could start from even home. This kind of jewelry is famous as style or boutique jewelry. Also selling this kind of accessory does now no longer require too much capital. It may even be finished at home, and you could sell through online marketplaces including Etsy and more online sites. 3. Beaded jewelry making. The jewelry made with specific colored beads is known as beads jewelry. You could make different sorts of bangles, earrings, necklace with beads. This is a home-based jewelry business you could begin with a small investment. However, you should have a selected ability for making beaded jewelry. You can sell those items on a wholesale basis or online. Basically, a small e-commerce shop is the great area to sell beaded jewelry online. Additionally, you could sell from the web marketplaces. 4. Seashell jewelry. With seashells, you may produce a huge variety of lovely jewelry for the people who love it. Just take a look at the web marketplaces and get the designs and prices. Seashell jewelry items are easy to make. Also, the principal raw materials seashells and threads are without difficulty available within the wholesale markets. 5. Leather jewelry making. Nowadays, leather-based jewelry is getting recognition as a style jewelry item. The business is simple to start. Even when you have space, you may start the business at home. But customer preferences may range depending for your designs. However, you have to have a few information of various styles of leather. These handmade leather-based jewelry items are perfect in case you are passionate about do-it-yourself accessories. 6. Terracotta jewelry. Actually, terracotta jewelry is made from natural clay. Also, it's for eco-friendly jewelry. This kind of jewelry has big demand globally. Sometimes the completed jewelry is available in colorful design and once in a while in a brown color finish. You can easily promote terracotta jewelry in online. 7. Glass bangles making. Glass bangles are the item of mass consumer goods across the country. Generally, the demand for the glass bangles is going up throughout the festive season and unique functions, marriage occasions, and more functions. Basically, the demand for glass bangles is ever growing in view of hooked up characterized commonplace and auspicious fame gained through it in society. 8. Costume jewelry business. Also called fashion jewelry, costume jewelry goals a huge variety of clients. These items cater to women who are searching out jewelry pieces to finish their outfit, and to men who purchase them as gifts. To distinguish yourself from the competition, determine in your specialization. Should decide you're on antique style jewelry, jewelry for teenagers, or homemade costume jewelry. 9. Imitation jewelry. The imitation jewelry is another thriving venture business you could consider really well worth starting. People choose imitation jewelry in preference to wearing gold, diamond, or jewelry with valuable things. You can create beautiful imitation jewelry like bangles, bracelets, necklaces, earrings, and more jewels. 10. Silver oxidized jewelry. Silver oxidized jewelry items also are famous as costume jewelry. Oxidized jewelry has shot up in popularity many of to the younger generations over the years. This kind of jewelry has a massive demand all through the world. Also, silver oxidized jewelry guarantees excellent profit and sales return. We hope in this top 10 jewelry business ideas in small scale video will help you in initiating your own business. If you like in this video, please like and comment. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, friends. For more business ideas, find in our channel video playlist and subscribe to New Business Ideas.